We imported more than 600 injection molds in 6 years. The result? Not all low-cost molds met our standards, and premium molds exceeded the budget. We then understood one thing: if we want the perfect solution, we have to create it ourselves. This is how Fullbax, the first Polish injection mold factory in China, got started. This is where we combine European quality with reasonable production costs. We manufacture high-quality injection molds and plastic parts. Our own machine park in Taizhou gives us full control over production, reduces costs, and streamlines logistics. Why should you work with us? In addition, we organize the entire import process ourselves and deliver the finished products directly to your company. You can take advantage of leasing or funding from the European Union. You sign a contract with a Polish company. You can conveniently settle your accounts in US dollars, euro, or Polish zloty. We provide a guarantee, and you have service on hand in Poland. Our injection molds meet European standards. In the price of the mold, you will receive T1, T2, and T3 samples. We use certified steel and components that comply with the HASCO standard. You will receive full technical documentation, videos, and photos of the mold tests. For regular cooperation, we offer payment upon delivery. If you produce details with us, you only pay for the mold once and have a lifetime guarantee on it. On request, we assemble, package, and certify the finished products. Join the companies that have chosen Fullbax. Get a quote for your project and see how much you can gain from working with us.